Internally displaced persons who are currently residing at relief camp set up at Idle Girl College, Akampad, today expressed strong objection on the report of People's Union for Civil Liberties (PUCL) on Manipur violence. IDPs of the relief camp burnt the copies of the report, alleging it biased as one-sided. Speaking on the sideline as a person named Leishangthem Inaukcha accused PUCL of endorsing the separatist movement of PUCL by spreading a false narrative on the cause of violence in the state. While strongly condemning the report, Leishangthem Inaukcha demanded a public apology from PUCL and also sought action against PUCL from state administration headed by Manipur governor.
Yung may thaba mi hat na chingba singsi ekoi gi mit ki mangda tokki thokdok sing atani aduga PUC na phongi bu lairik sina ekoi dagi report su sapsana foundation dagi lobi de na kadai dagi lawga phong bu lairik no nakana mata yenga phong bu lairik se khoi yaning de aduga PUC lenga si phongi bu lairik sidi kuki community ki site gi achoba sempam ma chara kanda phong ba manba sigumba lairik nakana mata yengba sigumba community ani ki marakta yasana bagi langdai ama lakpa sida lairik sina maram oiraga irang mona thorok yabagi mong da PUCL na torok kase masi akoi ta singna yajaning de aduga Manipur government amadi India government na hairiba loop ase akoi athuba matam da ban to bigadabani karigumba PUCL phongi ba election maram orga among na irang thokpa taragadi sigi daita punamak singse PUCL na lawgadabani haiba famse mayam da thamjage